I am working hard on the next shadow box from a book, but I wanted to show you this real quick. I made this DIY from just the stuff in my stash. The tutorial was from So CraftDee. She normally does hauls, but she does some tutorials, and this was so cute. I love how mine turned out. Hers is a little different because she had different things in her stash, and I just used what I had. I haven't figured out which sticker or decal or rub-on transfer to put on the side of the box, but I think it's cute as it is. I might put something on it later though. I found the buttons from just a button collection, and the wheels came from just what I had in my stash from Hobby Lobby. So I hope you try this. I'm going to put her DIY tutorial in the description so you can follow her and maybe do the DIY too. Thank you for watching.